Subqueries are usually pretty difficult for some people to understand, but yet I'm going to show you some easy queries that you go, Tom, that's too easy. And then I'll show you a subquery and you go, I don't know, Tom, that seems pretty difficult. Take a look at this, the easiest query on the planet. Select everything from employee table where department's in 100 or 200. And of course you're saying, of course, all the employees in department 100 or 200 are coming back. That's easy. Now take a look at this next query. I'm sure you've never seen anything like it. Try not to laugh. Select everything from the employee table where the department number is in 100, 100, 200, 200. Why are we duplicating these values? We had 3 rows coming back when we just asked for 100 and 200. We're still going to get just 3 rows back. So the point here is it's a waste of time to have duplicate values in a list. As you can see here, here's our 3 rows coming back, and notice that each one of these employees is either in department 100 or 200. Now the fact that we had duplicate 100, 100, 200, 200 just didn't make any sense. Now instead of having a list where we say select everything from employee table where the department number's in 100 or 200, inside those parens we can run another query to build that list. That's what a subquery is. So notice we have a top query in blue and a bottom query in red. The bottom query runs first and it says select the department number from the department table, and all of the distinct department numbers come up in the list, and then the top query runs. And it's going to be select everything from employee where the department number is in 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. That's how a subquery works. It basically builds that list by running another query. Take a look at my tables here at the top. We've got the employee table, but we have the department table, and it's got departments 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Now let's look at the query. Let's not look at the top in blue, but the red. We're selecting the department number from department table, and that's what it populates in the in list, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. And then the top query runs. Select everything from employee table where department number's in 100, 200, 300, 400, or 500. That's kind of the fundamentals I want you to visualize when you're thinking about a subquery. Now you can see we get the final answer set here at the bottom because once again, the bottom query ran first, built the list. The top query used it as its teammate to feed into the list, and that's the way a subquery works. For the most part, and this won't be every time, but what you're seeing here, the bottom query runs first, passing the information up to the next query waiting it. Hi, this is Tom Coffing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit subscribe to make sure you are kept up to date on all our videos.